How to sell Monopoly Go stickers. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to sell Monopoly Go sticker. So to sell the Monopoly Go sticker, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Monopoly Go account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, and basically you have to go ahead and press the sticker icon from the bottom right hand side corner. And when you do that, on the other field you can go ahead and tap the share button or the trade button, and as soon as you do that, it's going to show you a list of suggestions to whom you could go ahead and sell it. Make sure to select the duplicate card. Only then you'll be able to share with your friends. Only then you'll be able to share it. So unfortunately, there's no such direct method of selling a Monopoly Go sticker, but what you can do is, when you're sharing it with your friend, you could go ahead and talk about the payment method, and likewise you have to go ahead and complete the procedure. You can only send a sticker that is duplicate. If you don't have a duplicate ticket, then you'll not be able to sell it. So this is the alternative to sell Monopoly Go sticker. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.